Hi children, welcome to 5th class CBS. Today our topic is up to now we finished 1.7 exercise. This is 1.8 part decreasing animal population. Decreasing animal population. Now I want to read the passage. For you who are not able to read the passage, they can read easily. So I want to read the passage now. The time when there was no human on the earth, the only one animal species per year used to become extinct. This is quite natural, but nowadays one species is disappearing every 20 minutes. Tiger is our national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger are found mostly in India and Bangladesh. Once there were thousands of tigers in the forest. At present, their number has alarmingly decreased. It is a matter of worry that the number of Battameka Pakshi, Kalivikodi, Punganuru cow and many other animals are decreasing day by day. Unless we take measures to protect them, they are sure to become extinct soon. This is a paragraph we have in 5th class CBS textbook. So I want to discuss about this one. See, decreasing animal population. This is 1.8 part in unit 1. See here what he said in this paragraph. No human on earth. Human. మానవులు అంటే మన మనుషులు. నో హ్యూమన్ ఆన్ ఎర్త్ మీద నో హ్యూమన్ ఆన్ ఎర్త్. నో హ్యూమన్స్ లేనప్పుడు ఓన్లీ వన్ ఎనిమల్ స్పెసీస్ ఎక్స్టింక్ట్. ఎనిమల్ స్పెసీస్ జంతు జాతి. ఏదైనా ఒక ఎనిమల్ ఎనీ వన్ స్పెసీస్ ఎక్స్టింక్ట్, ఓన్లీ వన్ ఎక్స్టింక్ట్. సి నవేడేస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఓల్డెన్ డేస్. Nowadays, one species for 20 minutes. See here the difference. No human on earth, only one animal species extinct. But nowadays, this is one animal species extinct per year. See, 1 year, one animal species extinct. But nowadays, every 20 minutes, one species extinct. దాని అర్థం ఏంటి? ఎనిమల్ స్పీసీస్ జంతు జాతి ఒక 1 ఇయర్కి ఒక జంతు జాతి కనిపించకుండా పోయేది. బట్ నవేడేస్ ఎవ్రీ 20 minutes వన్ స్పీసీస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఎక్స్టింక్ట్. దిస్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ నవేడేస్. సి హియర్ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ టైగర్. టైగర్ అవర్ నేషనల్ ఎనిమల్. టైగర్ ఈస్ అవర్ నేషనల్ ఎనిమల్. రాయల్ బెంగాల్ టైగర్. It is in India and in Bangladesh. It lives in India and Bangladesh. Next, extinct animals. See, nowadays these are extinct, decreasing population animals. What are those? Battameka Pakshi, Kalivikodi, Punganuru cow. This is 2 marks question. What are the extinct animals? Battameka Pakshi, Kalivikodi, Punganuru cow. So we have to protect animals, and for protecting we have to measures. This is a simple passage 1.8. What is decreasing animal population? From this passage what we are getting information. So in olden days per year one animal species is extinct. Extinct అంటే మాయమైపోవడం, కనిపించకుండా పోవడం. For nowadays, every 20 minutes, one species is going. So we have to take measures to protect animals like human beings. So what are the extinct animals? Battameka Pakshi, Kalivikodi, Punganuru cow. See, Royal Bengal tiger, where it is? In which countries it is there? India and Bangladesh. Tiger, it is our national animal. This is simple paragraph we have in your textbook. Now we finished. Here we have, can you look for it? When it is there, I want to read here. The bird in the picture is a vulture, Gadda. It is 2 feet tall. Rabandu. Sorry. Rabandu. Vulture. It is 2 feet tall. 2 feet tall height untadi. It is not being seen in our state for some years. This is vulture. It is 2 feet tall. It is not being seen in our state for some years. In our state, some years, it is not seen by us. If you see in your area, you have to inform the Biodiversity Society of Telangana immediately. It is interesting to know that the informers will be paid 2 lakh rupees as a reward. See, look this picture in your textbook. It is page number 10. This is vulture. See, this animal is nowadays it is not seen to us because it is extinct animal. If you see in your local area, you have to inform Biodiversity Telangana department. You will get 2 lakh rupees. You will get 2 lakh rupees for this information, which is good news for you. If you see in your area, in your local village, surroundings of your house also, you can inform to Biodiversity Society of Telangana. You will get 2 lakh rupees. Remember this one. This is a paragraph about decreasing animal population. Thank you.